Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's kitchen. Today I am preparing beans recipe and these are my ingredients and they will all be listed in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Thank you. So I have my water heating in the pot on the fire and it's boiling now. As you can see, I'm just going to go in and add in my already washed beans. I'm using brown beans for today's recipe. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Thank you. After adding it up, I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to cook for 10 minutes before draining out the water. For me, beans gives me this burning sensation, so I like to do this step, and if it does the same for you, you can also drain out this first water. Okay, so after draining it, I'm going to get it back on fire into the boiling water. I'm going to stir it, add salt, and then cover it up and allow it to cook. When cooking my beans, I don't add potash to it. We call it akaun here, but if you make your beans and you like to add potash to it, it's okay. So I'm just going to cover it up now and allow it to cook. I like my beans to be very soft. I don't like it to be hard. Okay, so I'm just going to cook for some time. So while it's cooking, when it gets to a particular point, like it's almost cooked, I then add my sliced onions to it, and I also like to add seasoning cube to it. I add just one. Okay, then I'll just allow it to, get cooked. I like my beans to be tasty first on its own, even before I add it up into the tomato sauce that I'm going to prepare for it. So the beans is cooked now. I'm going to prepare tomato sauce and I'm adding in my vegetable oil. I'm going to let it heat for some time. We'll then add in the sliced onions and also the green bell pepper. I'm just going to allow the both of them to fry for some time. It's time to add in the crushed tomatoes, pepper and onions. So I'm going to allow it to fry just like you're making stew. Let it get dried up. Then we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so as you can see, I have to stir it so that everything will mix up properly. So it has dried up a little. I'm adding in my grinded crayfish. It is not very smooth. Okay, so we'll then add seasoning cube, followed by salt, dry pepper, curry, Cameroon pepper. You can add any spices of your choice that you like. I'm stirring it now so that all the ingredients will mix up properly, and then I'm just going to allow this sauce just to cook for some time. Now this really looks good already, and I added just a little thyme to it as well. So it's ready now for me to add the beans and mix it up. So I'm just going to add the beans bit by bit. As I add, I'm just going to stir until everything mixes up properly. Then we'll just allow it to cook for a bit. Now this looks really delicious already. Yes. Okay, so I've mixed it up properly. I had to add more sauce to it, and this really looks yummy. It looks delicious. Okay, so leave me your comments and let me know what you think about this beans recipe. It's cooked now, so I'll go ahead to serve it. So I'll be serving these beans with fried plantain and fish. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And don't forget to like, comment and share as well. Adding the plantain now. I enjoy eating my beans with plantain because it's just super delicious, and I love plantain a lot. And then followed by the fish, okay? And then I'll see you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much. Bye.